Hi everyone, I'm doing my first Amazon favorites video. I've done a couple different Amazon videos, but this one's going to be my favorites, and they're great Christmas ideas, and I'm hoping you will enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying making it for you. Alright, the first thing I have is it's like a trimmer kit for your hair, for your beards. I have had this for years. It's probably only about 40 bucks, but it comes with like so many different like little clippers. Comes with a little small one, which is like for your beard and your hair. I put an extra extension cord on it so I can really get around my kids' hair. It comes with combs. It comes with a pair of scissors. It is such a great deal. I've had my money's worth out of it for years. I mean years. You can also watch some YouTube videos on how to cut the hair. I have done my boys' hair. I have 4 boys. I have cut their hair for 21 years. So, and I used to cut my husband's hair, but he's gone now, so not in a good place. I mean, he is in a good place. He's up in heaven, but anyway. Okay, my next one is, this is Bonjour Green Tea Water Bomb. I love this. It's a moisturizer. I think it's about $16. It is one of the best moisturizers I have used. That's not super expensive. It just really goes on, like, you can see it right here. It is so nice, and it's fragrance free because I have so many allergies, but it's just, as you can see, it soaks into your skin. It's absolutely wonderful. So if you're going to make a gift basket for somebody, definitely put some of this one in. Green Tea Water Bomb. Okay, the next is, which I really like too, is this makeup brush cleaner. It's a portable electronic automatic. It got great reviews. So I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, it comes, and you put all of it together. And it comes with these little, comes with a stand, and it comes with different, this is the little handle that you put it in, comes with little different holders for your brushes. So it's got different sizes for all of them. So depending on what kind of stem is on your brush, then you would have to pick one of these. So I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put this one on. As you can see, you have to, it's made out of rubber, and you just stick your brush in there like that. Okay, and then stick it onto this little guy. It's got a little square in it, pretty easy to do. And let me make sure it's in there good. And you just put it into your bowl, and you turn it on. It's got batteries, and as you can see, it's going to clean your brush. Now I have already cleaned this one because I've actually cleaned all my brushes, so this one wasn't as dirty, but as you can see, I'm just cleaning my brush, and then when you finish, you're going to click it off. And I should have brought something to wipe it off. So you're going to take it apart. I'm just getting so the water's not there. And you put it back in its little stand to let it dry. So it'll just, I'll show you if you stick it on this box. It'll dry upright the way it should. Perfect gift for the teenager or the missus or your grandmother or your mother. So perfect. And we're going to link everything down below so you'll know the prices. All right, my next thing that I really enjoy is this little fan. It plugs in to either your computer, or if you have a little box that you put into your wall. This is wonderful. And it plugs in and it stays going for quite a few hours. Okay, so you could take it with you to amusement parks. I use it to dry my makeup sometimes. So I'm going to show you how it's got different speeds. It comes in different colors. And like if you want to dry your face while you're putting different moisturizers on. And that's what I use it for. But if I'm going to an amusement park, I'm going to stick it in my purse because it folds down. Well, it used to, yeah, it folds down. You can stick it in your purse and you'll have some air cooler all over. Okay, the next one that I have is, I think these are great. These are called Bell and Howell Torchlight, a set of 4. Okay, and they come in little boxes. So you can use them as gifts in a gift box, or you can give them to 4 different people. So they do come in little boxes. The amount of LEDs on it, it's got 23 LED. It's a spotlight, a flashlight, it's got a magnetic base, and a hanging hook. Perfect for a Christmas present for the husband or your son, even your daughter. So I will show you how bright this is. You see how bright that is? And then you've got this. It's got a little stand where it stands up if you need to, see, like that. And it's also got a magnetic hook. Let me get this off real quick. And it's got this little hook on the back. Let me show you. Okay. And you can hang it, like if you're working on your car, you can hang it. So, how cool is that? It's pretty cool. Okay. The next one is a garment steamer. I'm doing a video on this, which is going to come out in the next day or 2, so please watch for it. I show you how to use it. I show how it comes in the box. I steamed some blouses that I have. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. So watch for my video on the steamer. Okay, I'm going to put this away. The next thing I got, which I love also, is, you know, right when COVID happened, you couldn't go get your toes done, your nails done. I bought this electric pedicure device, and it works great. It does. I'm not going to show you because I have socks and shoes on, but it is a great buy for the missus. And it comes with different little stems also. You plug it into your computer or your wall socket. It's got little, you can see the little, so it sort of scrubs all that dead skin off. Okay, and it comes with different little heads. Some are rougher than others. This one's real rough. This one's a little bit, this one's medium. So it's like 3 different types of satins. And that makes a great gift. I love this. Get all that dry skin off your heels. And it's perfect for a Christmas present. Okay, the next thing I got is, I have a Fitbit watch. It's the Versa 3. And these little, they're called, they actually are bumpers, and they protect your screen. They come in different colors. There's like a teal, there's like a purple, there's like a rose gold. I have the, well, that's more of a, I guess, rose gold. This is more of a gold. There's a brown, and there's like a blue. But it's got a little protection for your screen. If you're out like me, I'm a DIYer. I'll be outside painting. And for these, they're a lifesaver. They really are. And then I had bought this one earlier this year as a separate one because I really liked that it was leopard. So this one I bought probably by itself. But the other ones, it came with 6 of them. So that is a great deal. It really is. And if you want to dress up your watch, which I do occasionally if I'm going out. Let's see. I got this little one, which comes with, let's see, haven't used it yet, but it comes with these straps. Look how pretty that is. I'm doing this like around the holidays to dress up my watch, and it came with this to match it. So I think it's going to be really, really pretty. If you look at it, it's got like the little glitter specks on it. Love it, love it, love it. And it wasn't expensive. It was probably $10 or $15. And it was a really good buy. And it comes with wipes to clean off your little screen. I also bought this one because I wasn't sure which one I was going to use, but I like both of them, of course. This one is more, I think this one's more dressy. It's, if I can get it open, it's definitely more dressy. Let me get a pair of scissors and try to get this open. Alright, this one's really pretty. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it also comes with a little bumper for your, look how pretty this is. I hope you can see it. It is got little, like, it's got little diamond glitter. So I can't wait to also, if I'm going to a party or something, to dress my watch up. It's going to be so awesome. So this is a nice little gift for anybody that wears the Fitbit. So I loved it. I can't wait to wear it. So pretty. Okay, the next one is for those of you who drink or like wine or go out for dinner. I bought this breathalyzer. It was like $24.99. It's a digital pocket size. I'm not sure if it's still in here. Yes, it is. Because I would give it to my kids to use. So it's this little, it's a pocket size and you blow into it. And it lets you know whether you need to stay and drink some water or coffee or don't have any more drinks or call an Uber. So I think this is a great Christmas present. Okay, my next one, I thought this was a smart idea. Wait till you see these. These are little scrunchies, okay, and they have little zippers. So you can put a key in there, money in there, your lipstick. It's not very big, but it will hold. You can see it goes all the way around, and it will hold keys. It'll hold your lipstick. It'll hold some money, or whatever else you want to put in there. I'm not going to talk about anything else, but whatever you want to put in there. Actually, girls, it could be for feminine products too. But it comes with a bunch of them. Came with like this pretty, like rose color. Came with a leopard, black, and the ivory. What a great gift idea. Really. Great gift idea. Oh, it comes with a green. But it is. They weren't expensive at all. These are some great gift ideas that you can put, like if you have 2 or 3 daughters, you can put it in their little stocking. How cute are these? Okay. I got this Detangling hairbrush. It's called Tangle Teezer. And this works great for wet hair. It doesn't work great for dry hair. But here is the brush. And it's for when you get out of the shower. It's really a wet brush. And this got great reviews. I see a lot of people using this. And it's got a nice handle. It's very sturdy. But it's a wet brush. And again, it says 50 million sold globally. And it's called the Detangling hairbrush for all hair types. Okay, my next one is, let's see, I've done that. This little thing. Look at this little, it holds your little blenders. And after you take and use it on your face and you wash it off, you stick it in here so it doesn't touch the bottom and it dries. It comes 2 in a pack. So I really, really have enjoyed this. And then My next one, which I love, is this little, it's called Griffin Tip. Look at this. This is so fun. I've already done my nails, so I can't really show you. But it holds your nail polish while you're doing your nails. It bends different ways. See? And it holds your nail polish so that you don't have to drop it. How cute is that? I love the way this works. Okay, and let's see. This next one I thought was such a cool idea. Wait till you see it. All right. This is called the Rocketbook Mini. Okay. It's like, okay, they call it the endlessly reusable intelligent notebook. You write in your notebook. I'm going to see if I can get my phone. I'll see if I can demonstrate it. Okay, it comes like this. They have different sizes. I got the small so I can put it in my purse if I was going to write some notes. It comes with your Pilot Friction pens. They're erasable. Okay, so if you say, let's see, I'm going to write on it. Say, crafty mom with 3 sets of twins. Okay, sort of messed up on that a little bit, but okay, and then you download the app on your phone. I'm going to scan it. I don't know if you can see it. There's this little scan thing right there, and I'm going to scan it with my phone. It scans it. If I can show it. Okay, I have to position it within the page. All right, it's scanning it. All right, I took a picture. Okay, and then I had downloaded it. There it is. And it goes to your phone. So how cool is that? Okay, then all you do is, comes with a little, let's see if I can find it. Comes with a little piece of cloth, and you wet it a little bit. Okay, all you do is wet it, and it's reusable, so you just wet it and you let it dry. That's it. And that's it. And you get to reuse it all the time. I love it because I'm like, if I'm watching TV or I'm watching a YouTube video and they talk about something, I usually write it on little scraps of paper. I get to write it in my little Rocketbook Mini, and then it goes to my phone, so I have the information on my phone. That way if I'm out shopping and I wanted to buy the same object, it's in my phone. How cool is that? Great gift idea. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and I hope you're going to subscribe and like. This is my first one for my favorites. I have so many Amazon favorites. I think my whole house is Amazon. So I figured, why not share it with all my family and friends so that you can enjoy some of these great buys, because mostly they're not expensive and they're shipped right to your house. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, hitting the like button, and the notification bell for when the next one will come out. And I just want to say to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. And I love you. Mwah.